Hi everyone, I welcome you all once again to our economics class. The first chapter in our economics part is development. Development is the title of the first chapter in our economics part. And today we are going to learn about development. The topics that are going to be covered under this title are different people, different goals, sustainable development, national development, income and other criteria. And particularly this lesson familiarizes concepts of macroeconomics. Particularly it focuses on gross domestic product, national income, and so on. So these are the topics which are going to be discussed under the title development. Let us discuss, my dear children. The idea of development or progress has always been with us. All of us long for development. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do or how we would like to live. We all have desires and aspirations for development. And similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. Now, let me tell you about the meaning of the term development. Development means improvement in countries' economic and social conditions. When we look at the improvement of people's economic and social conditions, and that can be called development. Whenever we see the improvement in countries' economic and social conditions, this can be termed as development. And a development especially means it also refers to overall development of an individual refers to overall development. It brings improvement in the living standards of people. So development always brings improvement in the living standard of people. So we can see improvement in people's living standard. So whenever we see that, that can be referred and that can be called a development. So the development of an individual refers to overall development. That means people must be socially developed, economically they should be developed, and educationally they must be developed. In all these aspects and spheres, development must be there. So when we see this improvement in people's standard, then ultimately that can be called development. So the idea of development or progress has always been with us. And not only that, development is a continuous process of growth. It is a continuous process of growth. So people have different developmental goals. Now we are going to learn about all the different people's different goals. Different people and different goals. All of us have aspirations for development, but perspective of development or interpretation of development varies from person to person. It varies from region to region, and it varies from country to country. So ultimately, the perspective of development varies from person to person, country to country, or state to state. So different people have different notions of development. Different people have different developmental goals or notions of development. So the two important aspects of development here are, number one, different persons can have different developmental goals. Different persons can have different developmental goals. That is one aspect. And the other one is development for one may not be development for another. It may even be destructive for others. Listen, my dears, development for one may not be development for another. It may even be destructive for others. That shows that different aspects of development, because different persons can have different developmental goals. And development, what is development? Development includes here not only the material things, development also includes here freedom, economic equality, security, life with dignity. And these are also included in development. So, development includes freedom, economic equality, security, life with dignity. We know very well, my dear children, freedom is very important. And non-material things, all these are the non-material things like freedom, economic equality, security, life with dignity. Every individual generally likes to enjoy these non-material things in the society. For example, freedom. What is freedom? It's nothing but liberty. Everyone aspires for freedom. Everyone wants to enjoy freedom in the society. So that is why when the people enjoy adequate freedom, that is an indicator for development. And besides that, economic equality. Economic equality. All are equally treated today. In all the democratic states today, all the people are equally treated. So economic equality is also one of the important things here, aspects of development, economic equality. So people desire for economic equality. They wanted to enjoy economic equality. Previously, there were inequalities in the society, but now the people are looking for economic equality. So economic equality, which is also one of the important aspects of development today, my dear. So development includes freedom, economic equality, and security. Another one, security. Yes, we need security. People need security to live in the society. They need security, secured life. So security is also one of the important aspects of development. So it also included in development. And then life with dignity. Life with dignity. We want to live with dignity. So that's why it is also very important. Respect and dignity. Today people are looking for dignity or respect. So this is also included in the development. Therefore, development includes freedom, economic equality, security, life with dignity, etc., my dear children. So these are the important two important aspects of development. And the other important non-material things that are included in the development are freedom, economic equality, security, life with dignity. Okay, children? And in the next video, we shall discuss people have common, different, or conflicting goals. Okay, what are the important conflicting goals the people have? Those things, those topics, in the next video we shall discuss. Till then, please keep on reading the textbook, my dear children. Thank you, my dear children, for viewing.